Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing out there? Let me get this all situated. All right, had the wrong accounts pulled up. That. So we got a little double top-ish action taking place. Am I a little bit too late though? Maybe not yet. I was trying to debate if I want to start a micro. I'm not ready for that yet. Not ready to do that yet. So we'll have to hurry up and wait. We do have some data coming out here this morning. We'll have to pay attention to. I'm trying to get those charts loaded here at the moment. Oh yeah, you guys are over here. Hey, Sods, what's up? Good morning. Hey, Trading Game, Atomic, Cove, Miss K, Eddie. All right, I'm trying to get all these situated. So say a few more screens. Let me make sure I got the yep. Gotta make sure I got the volume on for the chirps and the knocking. Oh, there we go. Mine was off. Uh-oh. Oh boy. Sneeze attack. I got a little sinus infection going on. I've been sneezing like crazy. Crazy. Oops. Hey, BK, good morning. Hey, BK, did you activate that account yet? So I'm going to pull the giveaways from the last two videos today after the stream. I was going to do it yesterday, but I was still waiting for a couple of the giveaways to go through, and they're all done now. So I have all the giveaways all caught up with. So, hey, Repeat, good morning. And let's go look at the news real quick. I got to get two more situated. Hold on. And man, they're trying to bring this thing down. They're just getting the knockings going. How's it going? I'm gonna hurry up and wait. I'm a little bit behind this morning. So if we come over and look, let's see what we got for economic data coming out this morning. All right, last day of the month. We have the Case-Shiller Composite 20-year HPI, Chicago PMI at 945, consumer confidence at 10, Jolts job openings at 10 as well. So we have a little bit of news coming out this morning. I'm more concerned with the news at 10 o'clock than I am any other time, maybe even 9:45. So we'll see. See, last night the Nikkei was up 594 points. It was up a lot more. It came off highs. HSI was down 145. DAX is up 384 right now at session highs. And the CAC is rolling over here a little bit, up 24 points. Keep looking over there for you guys. Yeah, we'll see if they try to, keep the markets up today or not. I know I'm going to sound a little nasally today, but is what it is. So Dow and Russell are in the red. Dow's down 3 points. Russell's down 3 points. ES is up 5. And the NASDAQ's up 49. All right. Let's see volatility index. I'm trying to get a little pop up here. VIX right now is down 11 cents. So we shall see. We shall see. Hey, Eddie, good morning. Yeah, stupid market. Trying to get heads up. I'm missing the screen here. I'm missing a screen. Pretty good move on the NASDAQ. Right up here from the high down to the low. That's 86 points we just dropped. It's pretty decent. Trying to get all my windows situated. This new layout, I'm not sure that I like it yet. Not sure that I like it. Hello, Nightbot. Love it. Always puts a smile on my face when I see that. Hey, good morning. So we'll see. But we'll see, you know, do we get a pop or is it going to be a drop? Hey, Paul, good morning. Are we going to get a pop or do we get a drop? Got a big drop, but what do you know? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it all shakes out. Right now, all the overseas markets, except for the HSI, was up and is up. So it's like, you know, we're coming down to the VWAP. Actually, ES just hit it. So I'm not really a fan of that. If we look right here, ES. ES. And let's go look at the VWAP real quick. All right, ES just tagged it. NQ is coming down towards it, not there yet. YM is down below it. All right, that's good to know. RTY is below it as well. Huh. So we'll see if we get more of a push down. Now, this morning when I first woke up, I was watching the market go back up. I was like, all right, I'll be taking a micro trade and try to fade it back down to VWAP, but we're already there. Yeah, a little double top on the NASDAQ. What about on the ES as well? ES has a little double top action too. Top one, top two. So if we could break this neckline, and notice the NASDAQ and S&P, I think, both had this in play. The P point was not hitting, was not taken out last night. 7465.50. And on the NASDAQ, 29779.50. So overnight, we've only had a 35.75 point range on the ES. NASDAQ, 282 point range. So let's see if they can get it. Iran will continue talks with Oman on managing the Straits. Oh. I was looking through some of the news real quick. Looks like Germany had some news overnight. Hey, Benjamin, good morning. Huh. Yeah, nothing really. I was scrolling through the news. They've kind of messed up what I was hoping for. When I woke up this morning, I was hoping for a micro trade down the VWAP, and we basically already did that. So they took my trade away before I could even place it. I was hoping we just keep going up a little bit. Hey, Mohammed, what's up? What's up? Good morning. So that's unfortunate. But if you notice, we have not taken out any swing lows on the NASDAQ, right? Here's a low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Now, what we could have starting to shape up would be this A to B equals C to D pattern. And that only takes us back down towards value area low. Right down here, the developing value area low or the overnight value area low. Hey, Chris, good morning. But again, we got to take out that swing low before that pattern is validated. And we do pop up. I will be looking for micros probably, especially since we have the P points, which have not been tested. So I do like that. We zoom this out a little bit. I also like this minus development for a low volume node right here at 831. So I'm just going to drop a white line across that. Let's see on the ES. Yeah. We kind of already came back and tested this low volume node right there, last night when we wicked down there and then whoop, went on up. And the rest of the profile just doesn't look as good as what we see on the NASDAQ for me this morning. Hey, Raphael, good morning. We are going to do a Lucid account giveaway today. So if you guys want a chance to win, don't miss out. On the 1 minute. Hey, BK, what part are you talking about? Are you talking about the regression channels or the 9 count? Or I have an EMA. And then down here is a delta indicator. Oh, it's just a regression channel. You can go inside Ninja. It's called regression channel. I have it set at 55 and 3. Let's see if I can open that up real quick. Right here where it says regression channel. Period 55 with 3. It's the only thing I've changed. I'm going to change the trade detector bubbles. Make sure I get them right. I'm going to bump those up to 60. We'll go ahead and change over the ESs as well. ES might already be there. Yep, they are. Or to be bullish, made a strong candle above 30,150. Well, if we look at the 4-hour charts, you know, here we had that push down. We have the consolidation. We're right here at a breakout point, right? If we were to measure or map this out, we break above this area. You know, we're probably going to go up and undo this whole entire minus development area. Yes, did make it into our minus development area right up here. We talked about in Sunday's video as well. Hey, Bob, good morning. Hey, King, what's up? Good morning, good morning. So right now we're still sloping downward. We're trying to get rid of the gaps before we or the gaps up that we had this morning before the market's even open. So hey, Reddy, good morning. I do like the P points, but the market's already started coming down before I get any micros on. So look, if I missed the move down with the micros, here could be my game plan afterwards. You know, if we come flushing down towards this area, I may look for a bounce to play the move back out. We'll see if we can flush all the way down, maybe a second deviation band on the view app. Hey, Marcio, good morning, Captain. And then we'll see if we can get a push back up. But I want to see an extreme push down before I try to get long with micros. We are at the lower regression channel right now on the ES and on the NASDAQ as well. So ES is slightly below the view app. NASDAQ's barely above it. So NASDAQ's the only one of the 4 indices above the view app at this point. We'll see if that's going to flip or not. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. And as I look over here on the ES, we do have a little bit of liquidity right here as well. 43, we'll call down to 42. I like how this kind of stacked down here. It's not the largest liquidity. We have over 100 contracts at one price point, but to me, this has my attention. Now I'm kind of curious. Where is that? So that's about 7 points above that P point. Now let's go ahead and map this out real quick. Let's just see. Does this make sense? And that liquidity is just above that double top target on the ES as well. Might want to play that down there. That's still 30 points. I'm going to play that down there. I'm actually going to play down towards this liquidity right here. And that double top target and the P points. I'm going to try to probably front run that 70-ish level. If we make it down there, I'll probably try to get out around 73, 74. Trying to front run the liquidity down here is what I'm thinking. Yo, 1 micro overnight. Nice. Nice. Hey, Brad. Good morning. Hey, Patriots. Good morning. White boy. I'm going to see if I can try to build this position down here. I did get in. I'm slightly down underwater here at the moment. Let's see. Here's where I just put that trade on. Right there. So I'm going to try to take this down to 73-ish. So it'll be about, I don't know, we'll say 25 plus points I'll be looking for in this trade. So if that hits, it'll be about $250. We pop up. I'm going to look to add to it. So I have to keep an eye on that, see how that shakes out this morning. If Jolts and consumer confidence are good, look at 10-year going up. Yeah, 10-year going up probably won't be good for stocks, in my humble opinion. So, kind of wish I would have just got in one of these micros, and as it bounces up, late on the second one. But here we are. Hey, Roger Sam. Good morning. What are we gonna do about it? But ideally, I like to see it just flush. Go right down there, get my target. Then the question is, do we continue to go up higher this morning? Or can we get a quick little dip down and then run it back up? Yeah, I'm gonna change. I'm a little bit scared to do this, but make it where it's a little bit easier. It's hard for me to see that volume profile this morning. Capacity is 80. Am I on the right one? Nope. I'll see if I can bump that 20. Oh boy. Hey, Raj, good morning. I didn't reset my Ninja before stream either. So hopefully I'm not causing an issue. NASDAQ's coming down here a little bit. NASDAQ, so all 4 indices right now below the VWAP. All right, we can see it a little bit better now. All right, I like that. So look, here's the minus development area all up in here, from here to about here. So let me go highlight this for you just so we can look. And look, we came up into it. The first time we come into a minus development area, we expect either consolidation or a pullback. Now, a pullback makes sense, and we'll see if we can run down to those targets we just spoke about. It'd be fantastic. You're looking for a pop to short? Yeah, shorted in the hole, so hopefully it doesn't, get me. 9 a.m. opening will set the tone for the day. Again. I'm hoping we can bleed down. Just go ahead and hit the targets right off the rip. Just go down there, get them. Be pretty happy about that. Be fantastic. Run all the way down there, get the targets, get that P point. And we got a P point on the NASDAQ and the S&P. All right, but before we get to the P point on the NASDAQ, we have that minus development area, or that low volume node in this case, 831-ish. P points over here at 779.42. So we round up to the nearest quarter point increment, which would be 779.50. S&P P points at 65.5. Double top target. Now we still got to break below 94 in order to validate the double top. So that target's 74.70. So target on NQ is 29,900. Hey, let's get it. 29,900. I don't mind that. I mean, it's a little bit shy of my additional targets, but at least it gets it going in the right direction. And we break down here. We do have that ABC pattern in play on the NASDAQ that comes short of value area low from the overnight. Now that value area is still moving. It's not done being set yet. But you can see it's about 970 or so for that ABC pattern to complete. We do got a 9 count over here on the 1 minute, on the ES, and on the NASDAQ. Oh, that's funny. So the MES does, but the ES does not have a 9 count. Interesting. All right. I'm not necessarily bullish or bearish. Not bullish or bearish. You know, because when we look over here on the daily chart, all right, here's something that is playing with my head a little bit. If we look in, let me get rid of this. All right, you can see we broke structure right here on the SPY. However, if we look on the daily, we look at the SPX cash, S&P cash, we never broke that swing point. We look over here on the ES futures, we never broke that swing point. So I'm kind of like, eh. Now, if all of them have already broken that swing point down there, then yes, I would be bearish looking for the ABC pattern to complete. And we may go down there, but I'm open-minded. I'm not really too swayed one way or the other. Now, ideally short term, yes, I want us to go down. That way my micro can continue to print. Again, I'm trying to get out of this around 74-ish, 73 probably. Playing off the targets we just laid out. Over here, we have the ABC target, or we have double top target at 70. We have the liquidity on the ES. I like how we got that stacked liquidity down here right around 72. So we have multiple points of interest all down in this like little zone down here. Took 1,040 from nice. Hey, Tommy, good job on that. Well, micro's up about 25 bucks, so we'll see if we can just keep on going down. We got 2 on right now. Key is to start small. That way I got plenty of ammunition, plenty of powder to add to it, manipulate the position a little bit if needed. Now I'm kind of curious on the NASDAQ, where's that second deviation band come in? Second deviation band is down here at 74.88. Yeah, the third is at 74.80. So I don't think we're gonna make it just a straight swoop down to my target. But who knows? Maybe I'll get lucky. Maybe we get lucky. I've always said it's better to be lucky than good any day of the week. Now look around the NASDAQ. NASDAQ, we do have a little bit of liquidity up here. 30,250, 87 contracts. What about down below us? 29,800, which, how does that shake up? 29,800. Well, if you notice, that is actually in between our minus development area or low volume node and the P point at 779. So 800 is right sandwiched in between those two. I'm luck and good. Well, let's go look at the heat map real quick. See out here in pre-market. Wow, we have quite a bit of red over here. On the S&P, let's see NASDAQ. All right, MU's down, Intel, Cisco. SanDisk is up though. Where's Marvell? Marvell's down, Apple's down, Nvidia's up, Meta's down, Microsoft's basically flat, Tesla down 1.4, Amazon down 0.64. Hey, good morning. So we shall see. And yeah, I got a micro trade on. Not up a whole lot on it, about 30 bucks. And yeah, I'm trying to take it all the way down here towards the 70-ish. Probably get out before that, but 73, 74-ish what I'm thinking. Yeah, speaking of the yen, right? They said intervention yesterday. Let's go look. USD, JPY. Oh, he's still going higher. We gotta go to work. Hey, Tom, I appreciate you at least stopping by. All right, VIX is still down 2 cents. So again, not a lot of major fear out there yet. But yeah, I'm just hoping for a quick little flush down here. Get my targets. Then I may want to go long, actually. You know, if we get a flush down early this morning, I may be looking to go long and buy it back up. It's kind of my thought process right now at this moment, but we'll have to wait and see. You gotta get down there first. Get on down there. Yeah, I'm not expecting much of a move from Canada's GDP either. Oh, hold on a second. And one of my battery backups, the battery is going dead. It's like, doo. Yeah, I was getting annoying. Yeah, buying the dip yesterday turned out very well. Most days it does. Actually, most days buying the dip, you get rewarded. It's getting a little warm in here this morning. Let me check the AC. All right. So still got the micro trade going down, up about $42 in that micro trade, up 45 now. Let's see if we can keep it coming on down. All right, Canada GDP came in at 0.5, forecasted 0.4. It came in a little bit better than expected. You see right there. Next news is going to be at 9 o'clock. We have the CS composite 20-year HPI. But then 9:45 and then 10 o'clock. I think the 10 o'clock has more opportunity to move the markets than the other news, but we will see. Hey, FX. Welcome, welcome. We do a little bit of both. I scalp and I hold for longer day trades. The micros is what I usually use for the longer day trades. Like, for instance, the micro trade I'm in right over here. I'm trying to hold that out all the way down here. I'm going to front run it because we have liquidity down at 72. I'm going to look to get out 73, 74-ish. So that'd be a good 24-point trade on the ES. That makes it up a little bit. Yesterday, the micros did much better for me than my scalping trade. Yeah, I agree with that too, Raj. And we have, new money coming into the markets with 401k money coming in, some window dressing. So your challenge starts here. Hey, what's up? What's up? Hey, thanks for the kind words. Yeah, nice little push down. I'm liking this. I'm liking this. They're putting me in a good spot this morning. Ooh, I forgot to check that actually. I gotta check one more thing. Make sure they count that as a day count last night. Gotta go look at my Purdy account. Just see a huge dump. Oh boy. Let's let it keep on coming down. I'm not upset with it. I am not the slightest bit upset. I'm up $80 on those on that micro. I was up $80. So you get another 20 points or so, and I'll be trying to get out of it. So I got 20 points though. We'll see if we can get down there. They kind of threw me a little bit of a curveball. I was hoping to be a little bit different, but it is what it is. Yeah, guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash that lucky like button. Do truly appreciate it. Made back your 210 loss. And you're up $92. Good job on that. Look, we're right back to the opening price on the NASDAQ. Right back to the opening price. See where the ES is. ES is right there at opening price as well. Just below it. So. We are at the first deviation band on the ES and the NASDAQ. So. You love TPT, but you hate the intraday drawdown? Yeah, well, my pro accounts I have right now, I'm having to get over that buffer, so I'm working on that process once again. I have my other accounts for quite a while, 180 something days, 185 or something traded days. And I blew them up 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, 2.5 weeks ago. I don't know, something like that. Went on tilt in the afternoon, and yeah. I think today is day number 3. Yeah, Friday I traded on Monday. Yeah, today's day 3 of trading those accounts. Do the buffer like every week. Yeah, I take it slow. I don't try to get over the buffer real quick. Take it slow and steady. Day moving average. Let's go look. So if we look at the SPY on the daily, still on some EMAs real quick. I have the 20 up there. Style. Oh yeah, we are right there at the 20. Right there at the 20. The white line is the 20. Yeah, so do we reject and go back down, or does it pop? The MACD indicator, they get down towards that 0 line too. Suspected Japan intervention. Oh man, we got some more intervention taking place. Let's see. Look at that. Some more Japan intervention. So you lost your Pro Plus last night. Ah, man, that stinks. It's never good losing a funded account. I'm trying to rip back up here on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ right now is down around 21 points. All four of the indices in the red at the moment. Oh, Japan intervention. They're trying to strengthen the yen. So they're intervening in the currency market. Now, I do know from past experiences with the interventions, you'll see one, okay, it moves a little bit. We come right back. Get another one, right back. About the third time they do it, it's a doozer. It doesn't come right back for a little bit. Getting a little bit of a lift up here. We are starting to get above the regression, upper regression channel. We'll see if this ES and NASDAQ are going to bounce off the first deviation band. So and look, on the ES, we did break. All right, we broke the swing point right here. So we do have a valid top one, top two, double top pattern. So that is a valid pattern now on the 30-minute. On the NASDAQ, we do have that ABC pattern as well. So we can go ahead and map that out now. We broke below the swing point right here. So the target on the NASDAQ is 975. The invalidation point would be 173. So we go above 173 before hitting 975 down here. That will invalidate the pattern, end up being a busted pattern. All right, this is where the pattern fails, all the way up here. So 975 looks like a nice, juicy target. Can we get there? We do have a little bit more news at 9 o'clock. Then 9:45, then 10. It's really the 10 o'clock news this morning that I'm worried about or more concerned with. But we get to start to roll over. I might take a little scalp. See if we can play back into this regression channel. Really debating it here. Just don't know. Don't like as slow as the market is. Hey, Kim, good morning. Now, maybe we're just going to go sideways here. Crude oil is up 16 cents. Oh, man, gold's made a pretty good comeback. You guys see gold last night? Gold was down in the 3900s. Yeah, gold made it all the way down here to 39.55. And over here on the daily chart, we still have not hit our target yet. Right down here around 38.23. Have not made it yet. Oh, hey, Sean, I appreciate that. Oh. Yeah, I trades. I'm waiting to see, can we pull back here a little bit? Show me a little bit of weakness. Like you want to get back into this regression channel. I'm going to smack it. We'll see if my first scalp ends up being a loss. $30,020 is the 200 or 20-day moving average. Huh. May not see it again for 20 more days. Let's go look at the gamma levels real quick. What do we got playing out there? Where's GEX1 at? On the ES. Ugh. GEX1 is up higher. 75.30. On the NASDAQ, it's up higher as well. Around 30,300-ish. I like that for my idea of wanting to take this short. So we start ripping to the upside. One of my targets today will be 30,300 for my runner long trades. I'm not ready to jump into that yet, but that will be something I will be looking at. Right now, we keep on pushing up. Oh. Oh, that's not working. Where's the 1 day max? 1 day max is a little bit above it. Just a wee little bit up here, somewhere around 525. 30,000. So about 500 points higher than where we're at now on the NASDAQ. 1 day minimum is down here at about 574. On the ES, the 1 day max is around 68. 75, 68. So worry about a midnight opening price. Yeah, I saw that. Suspected Japan intervention. Well, let's go look at it. Did it already recover yet? No, usually the first couple it does, but the one when it doesn't, oh boy. Yeah, look, big wick down, whoop, right back up. They did that yesterday too. Yeah, here it was yesterday. Expected yen intervention, whoop, then right back up. So what time is it? So I have the overnight volume profile levels here in about 10 minutes. See where they all shake out. See if we can set up any type of volume profile rotation trade this morning. A micro trade, I'm barely up on it now, only up about 10 bucks. So that's unfortunate. But I didn't have high hopes that we're going to make a straight line down there because of the deviation bands on the VWAP. So if you look, the third deviation band is down here at 80. I'm trying to get down here at 74-ish. So I didn't have high hopes that we just make a straight beeline right down there. Hey, PS, what's up? Trying to get the ES green. It went 0, back down quarter point. That Kramer effect. Kramer can definitely get the markets moving, but it's short-lived. Kramer comes out, gives the stock a buy, it rockets up for, I don't know, 1 to 3 days. And then pew, right back down. Hey, you short Kramer? You just don't short him right when he gives the announcement. You gotta give it a little time to marinate before you jump on it. And a lot of those will work out. I'm trying to come down here maybe a little bit. Let's see. Come on, don't run down there without me. Dog it. I was hoping right here, once we broke back down below the EMA, I was hoping this little bounce here was going to come closer towards the EMAs. I wanted to short it. We just didn't get what I wanted yet. Yeah, he does have some sound effects. There's a bull market somewhere. My job is to find it, or whatever he says. I used to watch him every night at what, 6 o'clock? My wife would have to sit there through it. I was trying to get some knowledge about the stock market. How's this game work? I wonder if my hotkeys are working. They are. All right. First scalp trade of the day. Loss. Okay, America. Yep, that is a fact. Buffett and other big investors do have a lot of access to inside information. And the Nancys and all the other politicians. You sucker. You joker. You really just stopped me out just to go back down. Yeah, Martha. They put Martha in jail, though. She didn't pay her dues. She didn't give the kickbacks. They put her in jail. So Martha had to do some time behind bars. Oh yeah, Buffett can't just get in and out like we do. It's a process for him. If he just hit the sell button, all right, I want out everything. Hey, imagine if he accidentally hit the flatten all button. Man, the market would have a conniption. If Berkshire hit the flatten all button on their platform, that'd be horrible. Probably be some good buying opportunities. If you can catch the, as soon as it flushes down, see the big spike, buy it. All right, there we go. All right, so the first trade was a loss. Second trade was a winner. Net profit. Net on the two trades was positive, so not upset with that. I was just a little bit early on the first one. I like right here when we came down, had that little consolidation, then bink, just resolved to the downside. So 2 trades this morning and 1 win, 1 loss, but I'm up. So that's what's good about making more on the trades when you win than what you lose. The market ends higher today. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we end higher. I'd like to see a little intraday pullback though first. Pull back a little bit early on this morning, and then I want to buy it for the move up. But hopefully it'll work out the way I'm hoping. But we'll see. Hey, Brad, it's easy. Wax on, wax off. Raj thinks gold's bottoming here. Yeah, I wish gold would went down a little bit more though, Raj. I would like to see one of my targets hit. Yeah, yesterday was up. Turnaround Tuesday. Market misbehaves. Hopefully. I'd like to see us go down there and hit the target. Hit that target right here. Smash that ABC target, which we're getting close to, but smash that, get that out of the way, and then we'll see. Oh, no. Hey, Rick, I did not yet. Slacker. What a slacker. All right, let's see what it's going to be. Pop or drop at the open. Yeah, I'll trade the M&Q while I'm in the MES, not in the prop accounts, but I will in my own account, not the prop accounts. Prop accounts only have one trade on at a time to make sure I don't have any gray area with the what they consider hedging or whatnot. So just to make sure I'm on the safe side, I only place one trade at a time in the prop accounts. So, hey, the elevated life, what's up? Good morning. Where is, ooh, slacker. I am King Slacker today, I think. I did not hit the lucky like button yet. Slacker, slacker, slacker. Let me go get in. I gotta get my lucky like button pushed. That's probably why the first trade lost for me. Bam. All right. Looks like I was lucky 84 or something. Dang it. Let's see what you guys think. Pop or drop at the open. So at these targets in my head, I would prefer to see a flush down, hit the targets, then go ahead and rip up if we're going to rip up. But again, the market doesn't care about what Mike thinks or would like. Regression channel is still sloping downward, but over here on the 1 minute, we could be trying to put in a little ABC pattern up. We got to break above the swing point though, right there before that pattern would be validated. So on the NASDAQ, if we look, the overnight value high will be 30,139.75. Point of control right here, right about where we're at. 30,033.75 and value area low, 30,004.25. Now look at yesterday's areas. We are below value area high from the prior day. So we've already been above it. We're back down below it. So 30,016 should be in the cards. Then I really like the minus development area down here in the P point. So minus development area is going to be about 831. That P point's around 779. Get a quick flush and then run it up. Let's get it. So I would prefer to see. Doesn't mean it'll happen, but yes, we're also below value area high. We've already been above it, 75.05. Now we're below it, but we'll see if we get back above it. We did hit target 1 being the point of control for the rotation trade down. But I really want to see, can we sweep the Asia lows? Sweep the Asia lows. Maybe come down there, hit our target, and then rip up if you're going to rip up. That's what I'd like to see, but we'll see. I'm trying to push this down here a little bit, huh? Yeah, decent news at 10 o'clock. We'll see if that's what causes the bounce or the push down. Man, I so bad want to smack that. Okay, get it. Dang it. I was wanting to get in that. Play a continuation back down here a little bit as the regression channel is still sloping downward. You want to join the winners? Now, if we look at the overnight volume profile levels for the S&P, 93 is going to be value or low for the overnight. If we get below 93, I want to come down towards those Asia lows, 81. Let's see, 81.75. If we go back below it and then we start coming up, 75.06 would be target 1, followed by 75.09. Then really the highs that we've had this morning, 75.17 ish. So you're in the Lightning 150K account. Ooh, 3,800. Well, they have a 20% consistency rule. So let's go look at what do you have to have the payout. So in the Tradeify, the Lightning funded accounts I've had with Tradeify have been the 50K size. So I don't know the 150K size off the top of my head. So let's go look real quick. I have to actually look at the, I think it's going to be a little bit too, I think you've made too much. All right, you want to look at, see what you have to get a payout. So profit goal number 1 is going to be $9,000. That's what I thought it was, but I wasn't sure. So 9,000 times 0.20. You don't want any one day to be over 1,800. So you're over double that. So you have to make at least 18,000 to get a payout. So if it was me, all right, this is what I would do. I would take a series of losing trades to get my P&L down towards 1,800. Otherwise, you have to make way more money. You have to work way harder to get to the payout. That's what I would do. I mean, you do you, but otherwise, you have to make way too much money. Let's see, 18,000. Would that even do it? At 18,000, 20% is 3,600. So you have to make over 18,000 before you be eligible for your payout. That's a lot. Yeah, you have to make 19,000. Hey, Love Nature guy. Good morning. So I know it kind of sucks. That's the only bad thing about the Lightning accounts. And this is the exact reason why. You know, if you guys like the Lightning funded accounts, I truly believe Perdia has the best option. Yes, they're a little bit more expensive, but there's zero consistency rules. Zero. None. And look, you only have to make $3,000. You only have to make $3,000 and they give you $3,000 for drawdown. So use code Mike, you can get a discount on them. I got to flip one more day and I'll be in a live account with them. So 129.9 looks bearish. Possible targets. Get long 30,000, 29,980, 29,940. Yeah, we're coming right back to the opening price right now. Here's the opening price from, you know, last night, 6 o'clock, right here. We're almost down there. They need to keep pushing. Nice. 10K in 3 days. Yeah, Lucid Flex, you don't have any consistency rule once you are funded. So we could bounce back up to the VWAP. VWAP's at 30,078. I'm hoping we get a little bit more of a push down. I want to see the downside targets hit. All right, at least 975 and then maybe bounce. Ideally though, I'd like to see this low volume node in the P point hit before we get a major bounce. Doesn't mean that's going to happen. So, hey, Raphael, I have not. This will be the first time around. Yeah, I remember when I first started trading with Perdia, I was in a funk. So I wasn't trading the best. I picked a great time to start with them. Right when I was in the middle of going into a drawdown. So all the prop accounts were struggling that I had. It happens. All right, so it's 9:01 now. Let's see. Are they gonna? Is this gonna be a little double bottom on the 1 minute? Bottom one, bottom two. We break the neckline up here. Let's just role play this out real quick. We won't know until we break the neckline, but where would that target be? 30,113 if we break the neckline up here. So we shall see. Oh, we had the news out at 9 as well. Let's go look at that. So news at 9, we had the HPI negative 0.1, forecasted 0.2. Case-Shiller composite 20 HPI 1.1. So that came in better than expected. We'll see about 9:45 and 10 o'clock. See if we can do a good job of reminding one another about it. A moderate melt up phase. Oh, thanks for sharing, Katie. So if we start breaking this low, we can go ahead and remove this potential double bottom target. Okay, the pattern would never be validated. So we shall see. I'm not going to remove it off the chart yet. Could still be in play. So far, only 2 scalps in pre-market. 1 win, 1 loss. Or 1 loss, 1 win. We have the micro MES trade on still. That's right here. I'm up about 40-ish dollars. Again, on that trade, I'm trying to take it down towards. We have a little bit of liquidity down at 72. So I'm probably going to try to get out 73 to 74 if we make it down here. If we pop up, I'll add to it, but time being. So we got to be in a hurry up and wait. So we have about 25 minutes until the market's open. Again, just a bunch of, back and forth going on last night. Just kind of ranging up here at these upper levels. Upper level consolidation usually favors the bulls. Check out crude oil. Yeah, crude oil's up 48 cents. Go look at that. Let's go looky. Yeah, crude oil's on the move up. But again, crude oil completed the ABC pattern down. So MACD is trying to turn. It would make sense for crude oil to try to bounce here a little bit. Maybe even work all the way towards that gap. 83.47-ish. Just sit on your hands and wait for the open. It might be smart. VIX is flat here at the moment. And what about RSP versus SPY? Equal weight SP is down 0.01. SPY is down 0.01. So pretty evenly matched. Doesn't get no better than that. $74.95 is yesterday's POC. I got the yesterday's POC at $74.96. Maybe on the MES, it's a little bit different if you look at the MES. But even if I'm trading the micros or the minis, I still use the minis volume profile levels for all my levels. Gold gonna keep on selling forever? Maybe. We haven't hit my target yet in gold. 38.23. We have not hit it yet. I'm still trying to fight here at the lows. The market is trying to fight. Now, it's not session lows. Session lows is still down here. Oh, I can't see it there. Yeah, session low is still down here at 934. So. Always use the ES as well. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if we get any more news out about the Middle East, the Straits. So we'll see. He's bounced off prior close. I don't know. We're having a hard time getting past this opening price last night. I just kind of stuck there. You always get biased towards bearish phase. Yeah, 550 to 4,000. Yeah, gold and silver had a massive run up. That was pretty insane. Scared the prop firms. Had some traders making some large gains, yellow and gold and silver on those moves up. That was insane. I really want to see this low taken out so I can remove this drawing object off my chart. Here's what I want to see, but we'll see. The micro trade on the MES. Well, about 55-ish now, we'll call it. So I'm trying to get out around 74 is what I'm thinking. 74-ish. If you guys want to vote, pop or drop at the open. Not too late. Leave the poll up for probably another 10 to 15 minutes. If you hit the reverse button, I don't know. Anytime I hit the reverse button on any account, it's a bad trade. It's bad. It never works out in my favor. I get slipped on the exit and the new entry and it just doesn't work out. You're like, oh crap, I messed up. And hit reverse again. Then it's like, you just start getting chopped up. Yeah, I think they should just label the reverse button, label it the donation button. You just donate money to the market. Never works for me. And especially if you're in a consolidation area, then you start chasing it. Reverse. It's like, dang it, I lost all this money. The market didn't even go anywhere. That really sucks. I'm trying to pop it back up here. Well, so here's where the problem could come in. Like, yes, you can hit reverse, but what I would warn you about is, there could be a 1 second delay where one account is still short and the other ones go long, let's say. Well, now they're going to consider it hedging. You can blow the accounts. So you want to be careful about doing that. And just to make sure I'm not in any gray area with the prop firms in terms of hedging. I only have one trade on at a time in the prop accounts. Hey, Gio, good morning. I'm not in the MES and the ES or MES and MNQ or anything like that. One trade at a time. That's it. I mean, sometimes it sucks because there's other opportunities, but I don't want to take a chance. MQ is ready to take direction. Yeah, 1 in a billion. I just assume if I'm even thinking about hitting that reverse button, just hit close. I'll save myself a little bit of heartache. Dude. Oh, you got a decent little bounce here. Look, we're getting back above the upper part of the regression channel. Are we going to be able to flatten out that regression channel and start sloping it upward? Maybe. Yeah, it should be fine, ready. I still don't do it just to make sure just to be safe. Only take one trade at a time, just to make sure. Yeah, that's why I only do one trade at a time. That way, because I'm trading with multiple prop firms, I don't have to worry about, okay, so in the Tradify accounts, I can do this. In the Lucid accounts, I can do this. In the TPT accounts, I can do this. I just, one trade at a time across all the prop accounts. Just to keep it simple. Yeah, keep it simple. The simpler you can make your trading, the better off you'll be. A lot easier to follow the rules, a lot easier to do the same thing day in, day out. The more complex, the more likely you will make a mistake. Let's just see a quick flush. Hey, stay broke. It sucks that you have to do that, but I do think that's the better course of action. Otherwise, you have to make way too much money to be eligible for a payout. Yeah, quality over quantity. Yeah, plan your trade, trade your plan. So they say, if you don't have a plan, you plan to fail. So we got about 15 minutes until the market opens. I'm going to leave the poll up for about another 10 minutes. So if you guys want to vote, pop or drop at the open. Again, we're trying to get the 200 likes today, and we're going to do a duck race to give away a Lucid account. So if you guys want a shot to win a Lucid account, Lucid Flex. How often am I watching the higher weighted equities? Not very often. Not very often. I peek at them a couple times throughout the day, but they don't influence my decision too much. I'm not saying that's the right thing. It's just what I do. Yeah, I like the Lucid Flex accounts myself too. I like some a lot. Let's just see real quick. Yeah, so I got 4 Lucid accounts to still give away. We've given some away in some of the videos and email list. I think most of them have been through the email list. So one of them is going to be from the video that I posted on Saturday. I think it's Saturday's video. I'm giving away a TPT 150K account and a Lucid 150K account. So today, we'll probably give away a 50K flex account today. Save another one for tomorrow. And then the other 150K account, maybe I'll give it out in Thursday's video or on stream. We'll see. Hey, Kim, I don't know of any prop firms that give you a warning. Hey, be careful. You're about to breach. Like, nah, go ahead. Hit it. Hit it. Fail. All right. Give us some more money. I'm hoping today is up and down. I'm hoping we go down early on and then they rip it back up. That's what I'm hoping for. So go down, hit my targets, give me a shot to buy it. Then I can play the move back up. That is what I'm hoping for. Doesn't mean that's what's going to happen. But that's my fantasy for the day. Yeah, gold was moving last night. Hey, Eddie, what's up? Good morning. Oh, Eddie, we didn't give away the account yet. We haven't done the duck race yet. I haven't pulled the winners from the last 2 videos. So if you go to YouTube real quick, just so we can talk about this. I'll do this. Oh, I can refer to it again. So these 2 videos right here, best payout rules and the Lucid versus take profit trader. This video right here is for the 150K account. I'm going to pull that today after the stream along with this one. This is going to be for a 50K account giveaway. So I'm going to do both those drawings after the stream today. So you just go right to the YouTube page. Make sure you've liked, comment, make sure you sign up to the email list for a chance to win. Let's see. All right. We got the regression channel kind of going sideways. We have about 10 minutes until the open. So see if we can flush it down first. You watch and comment on those videos. Hey, Saj, you might be the lucky winner. Oh, man, you and your wife both trade. Whew, that can be stressful. Wife be like, why'd you take that trade? I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. Stop it. Because I'm dumb. That's why I did it. Then when she has a bad trade, why'd you do that? Why? I mean, clearly you could see the market's going up. Why are you trying to short it? But it would be cool because, you could talk to your wife about trading, but the downside, when you make a mistake, she knows what in the are you doing? All right. So it looks like we have, let's see. I don't have how much, I don't have the time up here. How many minutes till the open? So the NASDAQ's not going to move till we get about 5 minutes within, but right now S&P 713 million to the buy side. Dow 278 million to the buy side. That will change. We'll go back and check on it as we get within 5 minutes of the open. How can you be part of the duck race? It's going to be very simple. 1, make sure you're already signed up to the email list down below. If you're not, you can sign up. First link in the description box down below. 2, make sure you confirm the email. So once you sign up, it'll send you a confirmation email. Click on the little link in there. And then 3, I'll give out a key phrase during the stream. Type it in. Nightbot will pick 10 people. And then I will pick a handful of people myself that I see it on here that's on the channel on a regular basis. Throw everybody in a duck race and see who's got the fastest duck. So I'm all caught up on the giveaways right now. So we'll give away one on the stream today. And then we got 2 more I'm going to pull from the videos after the stream. Now I'm hoping to do, let me get it set up, but might do a power hour stream today. I don't have anywhere to go. So I am kind of planning on power hour stream today. Maybe I'll set that up before we jump off. Have it all set up and ready to go so you guys can have it saved and ready to join me probably around 2 o'clock is what I'm thinking. Your duck's lazy. Hey, that's why you gotta get put a little e-foil motor on the back. So my battery just came in for my e-foil yesterday. Man, I want to go ride it so bad. So bad. I'm trying to debate where I want to go. Do I want to go out to the river where I got to worry about alligators? Or do I want to go to this one beach I can go to, but it's a little bit sharky? I don't know. Do I want to fight the gators or the sharks? Yeah, don't forget to hype the videos. I do appreciate everybody that does that. The one beach, man, I think I'm going to end up going to the beach. I just don't like all the little sharks out there. Thankfully, they're smaller sharks, little black tips. So if you get bit, you probably just got to get some stitches, but I still don't want to do that. Prefer not to be bit. And, you know, people don't usually get bit, but I don't want to be that one rare time where I do get bit. Let's see if we're going to flush this little low area right here. Target 5,000 and 5,500. Oh boy. Oh boy. Hey, Saad. So what's funny is I did manatee swim underneath my surfboard one time. I was talking to my friend. I see this big shadow. I was like, it went into my board. I looked, I was like, oh, it's a manatee. That thing went like this with his tail. Man, that thing moves so much water. He was just chilling. He wasn't even swimming that fast. But man, when he just one whip of his tail, I went, probably moved me a good 12 feet away. And he wasn't like, you know, I don't know if manatee can swim fast, but he was just chilling, just going down, eating some grass or whatever he was doing. I don't know. But it scared me seeing that big old shadow going underneath my surfboard. Man. I was at Sebastian Inlet on the East Coast when that happened. That scared the crap out of me. Hey, so that micro trade I got going on, not doing so shabby right now. Not doing too bad. Up 75-ish on it. Again, if you guys weren't on the stream earlier, I'm trying to target. All right, we have the double top. Top 1, top 2. Target is down here at 74.70. Wikiwachi. I never went there. Never went there. I've seen him out surfing over here too, but never went right underneath my surfboard. I will say though, I do like seeing dolphins when I'm surfing. I know it's doesn't mean there's no sharks in the water, but it makes me feel better. Except for when you first see the fin. Breach like, oh, it's just dolphin. So I try to get a little rip up. All right, we got about 5 minutes until the open. Are they still open though? Hey, Sods, is Wikiwachi still open? I don't know if they are or not. So here's the market on open orders now. Let's see what we got. We got about 4 minutes until the market opens. I'm gonna go ahead and shut down the poll, pop or drop at the open. So S&P 130 million buy orders at the open. NASDAQ 106 buy orders at the open. Dow 23 million buy orders at the open. Let's see. Oh, hey, Apple, you can control the volume on NinjaTrader. A whole bunch of different parts of it. I haven't really did a deep dive into it. Through the croc swamps. Yeah, I used to water ski, like the river I was talking about, going riding my e-foil at. Water ski, and there's gators all on that river. I ran one over one time. Remember, so the river went like this and it turns and goes out this way. So you could ski here, and then around the bend, a big old straightaway you could ski. Yeah, coming around the bend, I remember the gators were sitting there early in the morning. Well, I looked, I didn't see him. I went out in the boat wake. Then I seen a little thing went dunk. Then I fell off probably, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 feet after hitting it. And I was so scared. No, there should be noise, pop or drop. You guys should be hearing it when it goes. Let's watch market pulse. So if we see this go past the white line, we should hear it. I fell off. And I feel like my dad just kept going and never turned around the boat. Which, I mean, he went way farther than I would have wanted him to go before he turned around. But I mean, I was scared. It's like, this gator's going to come eat me. But nothing happened. I didn't see the gator after I ran him over. I don't think I hurt him because as I was coming, I'm sure he ducked. I just barely bounced off him a little bit. But it scared the crap out of me. And then, like, where I fell, like the sides of the river were like that cattail grass stuff growing. Oh, man. Oh, I did not want to paddle over there. Ugh. Yeah, I'm going to check it out, Sods. I'm going to check it out. I want to see if we do get that knocking or tripping sound. So we got about 2 minutes until the open. Remember, we have news at 9:45 and we have news at 10 o'clock. I think 10 o'clock news has more opportunity to move the markets. Hulk Hogan bought actually a second. Huh. So let's see. Are we going to bounce or are we going to drop? Second deviation band on the NASDAQ. Well, let's go look real quick. We got a little bit before it opens. Second deviation band's down here about 952. 890 for the third band. And if we look on the ES, the ES bands aren't in alignment where I want to see yet. All right, third band's at 80. I'm trying to get out around 74 on the micro. So I don't think we're going to get it on the first push. Maybe we will, but I don't think so. I think it's going to make me wait this trade out for a little bit. All right, hopefully you guys are hearing the chirping. You guys should be able to hear it. I see the little meter on OBS moving around. All right, we got about 45 seconds. Yeah, stopped out. Yeah, I'm waiting till the open. I took 2 trades so far. 2 scalp trades. 1 loss, 1 win. Perfect. Hey, thanks for the feedback, Gary. So we got about 30 seconds. Ooh. Hey, Jesse, good morning. I didn't miss a whole lot. I had 1 loss, 1 win this morning. NASDAQ's trying to break out of this channel. All right, here we go. Ding, 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 ding. Market is open. Let's see how that first 1 minute candle closes. Let's see. Look, we did get above right here. So we did validate the double bottom pattern. Target on that's 113. Let's see. Do we get it right here at the open? Three of the 4 indices are in the green. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Our buyer's not going to be able to push up to our 113 target. Let's see. We got about 20 seconds till this candle closes. Are the pops going to get it right or the drops? I'll probably go right up there, huh? So Russell's the only one in the red. All right, first 1 minute candle was green, so majority was right today. And there goes the target. Bottom 1, bottom 2, target filled. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that off the chart. All right, target was completed. I got none of it. These are ripping it. I was hoping for a drop first, then a pop, but we do got news at 9:45, so let's be mindful of that as well. Russell down 8.2. Let's go look at the gaps real quick. Let's see what we have for gaps. We look at the SPY. Small little gap on the SPY. Not much. Qs, any gap would have already been filled. That gap would have been filled over there on the Russell in the Dow. Oh, Dow's trying to come back down. So now we got the Dow and the Russell in the red. VIX is down 3 cents. Yeah, ES and NASDAQ hit the VWAP. NASDAQ still above the VWAP. ES just wicked it and came back down, or trying to come back down. Here's the ES. Here's the VWAP. Wicked it, trying to come back down. All right, here's that zone. The highlighted area comes from the zone on the 4-hour time frame. Candle body to the candle wick. So we're in that zone. Do we get a push back down from this area, or are we gonna be able to break out? We're on bar number 9 right now, and we're at that zone. Do I dare take a little scalp short? Pretty big delta push up right there. Wow, Dow's down 101 now. NASDAQ is screaming. Come on, give me a shot. So I want to short this. May regret it too. Dang it, hit my target too quick. That's probably a good thing because it went back up. Probably a good thing. So I got 5 points out of that real quick. I wanted to go for a bigger remove, so good thing it didn't give me a shot to move my target. That would have been a losing trade for me. We had the 9 count right within that zone off the 4-hour that we mapped out. ES is going down. ES trying to pop back up now. Wow, Dow's down 160. Hey, so if we go look at YM real quick. YM's just getting smacked right now. Look at RTY. RTY is not having a good time. But then we look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ screaming on the way up. ES. That's not ES. That's Evergreen. There's the ES. ES kind of like, I went up here, went down a little bit. What do I do? What do I do? Do I follow my buddy the NASDAQ, or is the Dow and the Russell right? So we have the NASDAQ up 128 points at the moment. And that could be interesting. Let's go look at this on the 4-hour real quick. So look, we basically dipped right below value area low. We got the rotation right up. Point of control, target 1. Value area high, target 2. And we're taking out the session high right now as we speak. Big push up. ES pushing up. ES up 4.75. NASDAQ though. NASDAQ's the big winner here at the moment. I want to clear off this drawing object real quick. I know we're in the zone, so I'm just gonna be mindful of that. All right, we're above the second deviation band. We are above the second deviation band. We're approaching the third, actually. So I'm going to go ahead and start a micro position. I'm only going to start it off with 1. We're right up here between the 2 bands. Maybe it's a little bit premature. We'll see. And if we go back and look at the 30-minute chart, I'm going to try to take it back down to about 150-ish. 150 to 100 to 150. I want to see how we come back down towards this area. So here's the micro trade that I currently have on right there. So let's see if we can get a little push down. Dow now is only down about 149. Russell down 13. Gold went back down. Gold's down 9.9. Oil pulled back a little bit, only up 18 cents. So got filled 20-pointer. Nice. Good job on that, Raj. I might be trying to overstay my welcome on this one, Raj. Hopefully not, but we'll see. We shall see. You see right here, it's new session highs. Short term, we are starting to get overbought. You can see the red background, but gotta be careful because one thing I gotta be mindful of, that's why I started off with one. So if we were to zoom this out, this is nothing more than a big upper level consolidation right here. After consolidation, what happens? We get a breakout or breakdown. Right now, we're breaking out. So we'll see if we can hold it. Look at basic structure, though. We should be able, at some point, come back down somewhere between 187 and 215, which 215 isn't really enough. See if we can come back down, retest that area, and then we'll see if we continue to rock it up or we start heading back down. 9:45, we do have news coming out. Hey, the boss, good morning. Yeah, ES is weaker than the NASDAQ for sure this morning. Here's the ES. ES did not take out the session highs like we saw with the NASDAQ. NASDAQ's the strongest right now. Which, let's go look at the heat map real quick. What's that telling us? There we go. We got Google down, Meta down. Wow, I'm really surprised NASDAQ's going up as much as it is. But look, we have NVIDIA up 1.7, Intel up 2%, AMD up 4%, ASML 2.83, Cisco's down, Qualcomm's up 0.4. Where's SanDisk? SanDisk is up 5.93%. So, yeah. Short QQQ is impossible. That's not impossible. You just hit the sell button. Might be impossible to make money on it. All right, there's SMH. SMH on the move up once again. And let's go look at RSP real quick. So RSP is actually down. RSP equal weight S&P 500 down 0.36, where the SPY's up 0.08. All right. We see you. What about 10-year? 10-year yield on the move up this morning as well. Actually near session highs. Oh, Paul just sent his report card in. Let's go check that out. All right, coming on down here a little bit. I said, and then it starts going back up. You stupid market. You stupid market. All right, let's see. Let's go see Paul's report card real quick. What's he doing out there? Mr. Consistency. How about 455 to 488? Grand total 6,400. Oh man, give it up. Good job, Paul. Good deal. Hopefully I can get on that level today. So Dow now is only down 75. So Dow's trying to come back pretty good. Let's go look at that real quick. YM had the initial flush down. Now it's trying to come up here a bit. Still down though. And we do have the news coming out here at 9:45. So 3 minutes and 47 seconds. We get PMI numbers coming out. So. Oh, you know, it's weird. Interesting. Oh, Eddie, you sent your report card too? Oh, let me go check it out. Here's a Dow. Dow's trying to come up. I'm probably going to wait till the news before placing any further trades. Oh, wow. Man, Eddie killed it today. Make sure I don't. And these are all PA accounts too. Oh, man. Good job on that, Eddie. Woo. Good up for Eddie. 23 hundo-ish per account. Ah, that one has 24. Man, that's awesome. Ah, good job. Let's see if we can come down here a little bit more. Give him a do's it. Short it at 240. Nice. Yeah, I'm short from 236, Neo. Calling for 825 melt up. Hey, KD, I'm hoping we go down a little bit first. Then we go up. So can you tell the model to direct price down so then we can, my shorts can pay off and then I can get long for the move up? That's what I want to see. That's weird. Let's go check something real quick. Look, we have GEX1 right here at 300. We didn't hit it yet. We did not hit the 300 yet. Yes, on the move up. Hey, Jordy, good morning. Now, looks like the ES is now. Dow's only down 8 points now. They flushed it Dow hard. Dow is now back in the green. Russell only down 3.6. Oh boy, oh boy. All right, we have news coming out any moment. 43 seconds till the news comes out. NASDAQ trade's not doing too shabby. We made it down roughly to where my target-ish was. I want to see if I can get a little bit more out of it. First TP at 160. Nice. Yeah, I'm trying to see. I might regret this. We have the VWAP at 91. I'm not trying to take it all the way down to VWAP yet. We got 12 seconds. See what the news is. Dow back in the red, down 46. Let's see, PMI. What is it going to be? Oh, looks like it came in at. Can't see it around here. Let me put this. Came at 56.7. Forecasted 55.7. So a little bit of a beat on PMI. So next news is going to be at 10 o'clock. Jolts numbers coming out. Yeah, it's always hard trying to learn a new platform. Then you got the stress of watching the money go up and down, up and down, up and down. Crude oil's up 3 cents. Gold's down $1.08 or 80 cents. All right, let's go look at this opening range real quick. How wide is our opening range this morning? Oops. We got to measure, put our green target in. So 230 point range. That's pretty big. All right, so let me change this. All right, so this is a target location area, which so around right around 147-ish, 148. So all right, we should be in positive gamma. Should be. I was down 74. I don't think it's ready yet. I need to wait. I was debating on adding to that M&Q trade. I did not. I got a couple targets in mind. So one of them would be right down here at the green line. So 147-ish. The other one that I'm really debating here at the moment is gonna be all the way down here at VWAP. So 103-ish. So we'll see. We shall see. So you get a little flush down there. Yeah, we have news coming out here at 10 o'clock. We have some more news. So far we've had a 329 point range on the NASDAQ, only 35 point range on the S&P, 35.75 to be exact. Yeah, trying to go back up here. Other question is this going to turn into a double top? Top one, top two, break the neckline? I don't know. I'm not really favoring that, but let's just see. Man, these sinuses are jacking me up. Target on that would be about 30,031 if we can make it down here and break that neckline. They moved Jolts to 2 o'clock? Really? I didn't see that. I still show Jolts at 10 a.m. Let me refresh real quick. Still show it there. Let me see. Financial Juice still has it at 10 o'clock too. Maybe your time zone switched on your browser. Financial Juice. Let me refresh Financial Juice. I still got a 10 on Financial Juice. I mean, it doesn't hurt. Look at the Mag 7. It doesn't hurt. I try to keep it simple though. Nah, Jolts ain't come out yet. Well, I don't see the data for it if it did. "43-inch monitor." Nice. More monitors are always good. We're just hanging out up here right now. I really want to short this, but I don't know if this is a smart decision. I don't know. Usually TradingView's biggest sale is Black Friday. It's usually their biggest sale. 343-inch with Ninja on 2 of them. Nice. Yeah, hey Rick, that's weird. I wonder why. That'd be weird at 2 o'clock. I wonder if something happened with time zone on the website. Like they had a little glitch there. New session highs. Yes, is right here at session highs as well. Yes, right. Coming up on session highs. So any talk about that double top-ish pattern? Null and void. We broke out to the upside. The chirp is correlated between the ES and NASDAQ. So when the meter gets above 80, you'll start hearing a chirping sound. It's kind of a way to monitor the buyers. And below 81 would be a knocking noise. So it's correlated between the NASDAQ and the S&P. I think ES just made new session highs. Yeah, it just did by a few ticks. All right, see right here, NASDAQ's up 253-ish. Dow's up 40. Russell's up 0.6. All four of the indices in the green. Come on in. The water is warm. There's nothing to worry about. Big trade on the ES. Yeah, I saw it right down here. We are above the second deviation band. Actually, wow, actually on the ES too, we're above the third. On the ES, we're above the third deviation band. NASDAQ, we're just above the second. It's my better judgment. I think I'm getting ready to short this. No, we have more news coming out here at 10. It'll be about 7 minutes away. I find myself wanting to push the sell button. Could have done it. Me at 825. SPX gap filled. Let's go look at that. I'm getting ready to hit the sell button. I know I probably shouldn't, so keep me preoccupied for a moment. Oh yeah, SPX. Yeah, I don't got the gap fill yet. The true gap fill would be at 74.72. The high today has been 74.63, so we have not filled the gap yet. What about NDX? NDX, not even close. This market can't sell. Yeah, they're not giving it up too easily. That's for sure. So VIX is down 35 cents. Trying to go down. We got NASDAQ making new session highs. Another day, no pullbacks. Where's the next? Let's go look. We talked about that GEX 1. Look, NASDAQ got it. That GEX 1 right there, 300. Taken out. Yes, we do got a little bit of call resistance up here. We're approaching it. We're almost there. Let's see if we end up busting it. 27-ish. Then GEX 1's right there, right around 75, 30, 31. Probably gonna hit it. Probably gonna hit it. Like where we're at. Like we're at on the view out bands for a short, but still might be a little bit too early on this. We have news out in 4 minutes. News in 4 minutes could really juice this market. Ooh, we got a trade detector bubble up here as well. Give this a little shot for a little scalpy scalp. Thank you very much. Little scalp playing off that trade detector bubble right up here. So we've already had the move going up. Get the trade detector bubble. I'll gladly take the quick little scalp. Now I'll probably wait till the news comes out. We have the news out in, let's see, 2 minutes and 48 seconds. I'll probably hurry up and wait until then. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash that lucky like button. Yeah, we do have a Lucid account. We're going to do a giveaway today as long as we get over 200 likes. We have over 200 people in here, so that should be an easy task. We're at 146 on the like counter at the moment. Fear and Greed Index, we're sitting in fear at 29. Fix it down 40 cents now. So I'm not going to take any more trades until after the news. No more, no more, no more. Russell's the only indice in the red, down 3 points. Working on bar number 8 right here. You're glad we'll be having a Lucid giveaway today. Let's see if we're going to bust out session highs. Let's see. Got about a minute, 20 seconds until the news comes out. TradeView does have a sale. I was not aware of it. Hey, good evening. Maybe they're talking about raising their prices. All right, we're working on bar number 9 right now. We just keep plowing up higher. We're getting it pretty good right now at the moment. Oh, Russell went green for a moment. Oh, Russell's flat. All right, we got 25 seconds. Let's see. So we have consumer confidence and Jolts job openings coming out. Yeah, 5 minutes straight line up. No pullbacks allowed. Our consumer confidence came in at 91.2. They forecasted 94.4. The Jolts number, I don't see that one yet. I still don't have the Jolts number yet. Jolts came in at 7.95. They forecasted 7.28. All right. Let's see what this is going to do to our markets. Nine count getting a little bearish engulfing-ish looking candle. Let's see. All right. So let's talk about targets now. We start coming down. I do like the opening range high, 265. We'll see if we can come all the way down here towards about 150-ish. So we start to get a little pullback underway. You got a little bit of liquidity here on the ES. Oh, they just pulled it. Got liquidity right there. They said, I don't want to get filled. Let me get out of the way. So they ran away from it. So let's see. Nice. Good job on that one, Raj. 20 points. All Let's see. Just keep on going. Push, push, push. So right now in the S&P, we've had a 46-point range. NASDAQ, 439-point range so far. Yeah, I got to move quick. I'm thinking about taking a crack at this to the sell side. All right, short term, we're starting to get overbought. See right background. They're tempting me. They're tempting me. Still a lot of aggression on the buy side. Not enough for the chirping, but we're still pretty positive. 48 to 50 on the market pulse. Dow's up 71. Russell's up 0.8. That's a pretty decent little move. Good thing I didn't short it yet. Coming up on the high of the day right up here. High of the day at 374. We busted. I'm probably going to take a quick little scalp. Waiting for the chirping to calm down. That didn't work out. Get back a little bit on that one. All right, yes, at session highs. Russell up 1.3. Come on. Got long on the ES? Oh, congrats. Let's go down a little bit more here. All right, took it out. So 2 trades, 1 loss, 1 win. So 4 scalps today. No, 5. 5 scalps, 2 losses, 3 wins. So they're getting it here a little bit. They are not playing. We'll see how long we keep going up for. Right now, I keep on tripping it up. At some point, I do think we come back and we return back to the opening range high. Possibly the midpoint as well. Mint model says long, long, long. Yeah, KD did warn us about that. Be careful. Dog it. Dog it. I want to short it. Nah, I'm an MAQ short, Eddie, not long. It'll come down, just win. Probably as soon as I go long, it'll come down. Whoa, 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 whoa. I dug it. I got a little scalp there, but I hit the button way up here. I feel way down there. That was horrible. Horrible. I was going to try to keep moving it down and trail it down. See if we can play down here towards the opening range high. So. $30,000. We had the VWAP all the way down at 141. On the ES, the VWAP's at 75.06, and the ES right now is at 27. There's a lot of potential out here this morning for return back down towards the VWAPs. Wow, skipped over my order. Did not fill me. That sucks. Oh well, happens. 15-minute Emerald Green Waves. So I've used 5 minutes in the past, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 15. I used the 5 for quite a while. Yes, defending the big trade. Yeah, last one I did, we start getting back down below there on the ES. Look, ES gets back below 23. We start pulling back here a little bit more. Both 15 and 30 minute. Nice. Dow's back in the red, down 7 points. Dow is down 7 points. $249 is going to be the second deviation band. No, that's the first. First deviation band's at 249. The second deviation band's right around where we're at now. So when you start cracking down, that seems like that'd be a pretty decent target at 250. I'd like to get a nice runner down there. Be fantastic. Let's see. You gonna stop me out or you gonna get me a little runner going? Trying to go down to the first deviation band on the VWAP. Around 250. Goes down a little bit more. I'd like to put my stop in the money. Give me a shot. Get my stop in the money. All right. Stop is now in the money. Trying to play all the way down to 250-ish. Yeah, banger of a trade if it doesn't come back up and get me. Come on, Joker. Minis got filled. Come on. That first band's at 252 now. I almost wonder if I should have just taken that. I really want the bigger move though. Yeah, gold's up 18 now. Might be a heck of a trade. Dang it. I was up quite a bit. I was going for the big move. Didn't get it. Now watch, get a flush down. You son of a biscuit. Went right up there, says, oh, there's Mike's order. Let's get it. Let's get Mike's order and then we can go down. You sorry piece of crap. Guess I just moved my stop a little bit too soon. I should let it swing a little bit more. Dang it. Scared money don't make money. I was scared. I didn't want to take a loss on it. So it got me. Finally, a market that's relatively easy to trade. Yeah, a lot of times it will go back to the big trades. I don't feel so bad now. I went right back up, so I don't feel so bad. We have not hit that band yet. Here, I'll show you what I was looking for. I was looking for us to come down here towards that first band. It keeps going up as markets stay up higher. I'm looking for a retest of that band right there off the VWAP. like that was a pretty conservative target. Still holding the micro short. Nice. So we have no more news out today. We just got to be mindful of, do we hear anything over in Iran, the Straits? I don't know. That's the only thing that is of concern to me at the moment. Because we don't know, hey, at 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock, Trump's going to pick up his smartphone device and tweet something out. We don't know that. Hey, Raj, what's your target on the micros? How low are you trying to go for? $245. Let's get it. I think it's probably going to make it. Dow's down 9 points. Russell's up 2.8. SP is up 20. NASDAQ's up 288. Second target, VWAP. Yeah, I'd love to see the VWAP touch. I mean, preferably let me get back in, but yeah, I'm trying to be careful here. Trying to push it back up. Takes time to work. Yeah, sometimes. Should see a straight drop soon. Yeah, we'll see. Hey, Raj, so what's gonna be a catalyst for the straight drop? That's the problem. What is gonna be the catalyst for that? I don't know. I don't know. Personally. But we got into a minus development area, not all the way at the top of it yet. Did a pretty good job. The weekly profile right now is pretty thin. Go long for a catalyst. I feel that way sometimes too. Oh, there we go. $1,000 Robinhood account. Yeah, I agree with that, Raj. Stopping a strong market is like stepping in front of a freight train. Ooh. Let's get my attention here. Go a little bit higher. Higher in the EMAs. I'm going to smack this, I think. Dang it. Uh-oh, they're going to take my lunch money here. Come on down. Please. Pretty pleased with sugar on top. Did it last night? Got your face ripped off? Dang it. Closed it. Maybe saved a tick. Maybe. So Dow's up 57. Russell's up 5.7. Market's getting stronger, and this is dangerous. I keep wanting to hit the sell button. Probably gonna sell it again. I got that VWAP band in my line of sight. I want to hit it. Whoa. That's not where I wanted my order at, but whatever. I think it's gonna get me. 2 losses in a row. Dog it. So we got oil down. Oil was up a little bit earlier. Oil was down 5 cents. I still think we're going to go down a little bit. Even if we end up for the day, I still think we want a little bit of a pullback. That's definitely a FOMO entry. Heard the knocking. You're going to make me pay for that too, you son of a biscuit eater. Hey, Brian, good morning. Just gotta push it back up. Yeah, not much of a pullback at all. I really got this. I got two areas, the VWAP band in my line of sight that I want to target, and this opening range high. Target. All right, Paul, I know you wrote something long. I can't see it right now. Give me a second. We got this trade. I'll read what you said. All right. Target. Do you favor measure the first initial move up? Oh, what time frame, Paul? You talking about right here? Yeah, a little bit more to go on that. It looks like about 417. Yeah, I wish I would have stayed on the sidelines now. Waited. Now, did that? I think it did. I think it retraced enough. Yeah, it did. The ES is starting to weaken here a little bit. A little bit. Could be an ABC pattern on this ES. I don't know. I don't think it's ready yet. Use your fingers as a measuring tool. I'm kind of curious though. Where are we at? Right there, that call resistance. We did hit GEX 1 on the ES. Obviously, we have not hit the P points yet this morning. We might not. The NASDAQ trying to push all the way up here to 500, then 525-ish. That is the $1 million question. I don't know. I just don't like it. I don't like it. Don't like what I'm seeing. I think the only way for the market to go down is for me to go long. That's it. That's not going to help me out any. So we're going to run away from that opening range all day. Good looking out, Chris. Smash that lucky like button, guys and gals, if you have not yet. Well, hey, Roger's taking directions. It's not the one the direction I wanted to go. Here goes session highs. We just barely missed it. There's session highs right there, green line. Crazy whips today? Not really crazy, but $75.43. All right, we're about to complete that ABC pattern. There we go. NASDAQ just completed that ABC pattern. Let's go remove that real quick. I gotta be careful. I just want to smack the crap out of it. Got to be careful. Just wait. Hurry up and wait. As bad as I want to get back those last couple trades that I lost on, gotta wait. Not a lot of options flow today either. But look, not a lot. Pretty weak. Now, if we go back and we look at those P points, not looking too good. We actually get rid of that pattern. That ended up being a busted double top pattern. Came down, we validated it, ran up, busted it. But P points all the way down here at 74.65. It's 80 points lower-ish than where we're at. I don't think it's going to hit today. NASDAQ's also above all the value areas, even the developing value area. Oh, I do like this area, though. 264 on the NASDAQ. I like it. I likes it a lot. 264. I'm taking another short. Really like to take it down to 264. I don't think it's going to make it without stopping me out, but let's see. 264. Oh, yeah. I'm not going to make it that low. I'm going to puke out before that. I'd like to make it down there. Come on down. Stocks 30-minute. Yeah, go look at that. It's a pretty decent trade right here. I almost hit the close button. Got that big delta spike down there. We should come back and revisit that swing point. When we do, I'm probably going to close it. We got within it, but not all the way down there. Closing it. I'm going to close it while I still got green. Close it while I still got green. Try to get back some of the loss. We got a 9 count up here on the 1 minute as well. I still like this area. This is going to make it even rough. If we don't pull back to it, it's going to make it even rougher because I really like this area right here. Or trade down to. I'm saying 73 down to 253. We're going to see first. Do we go all the way up and hit the call resistance up here in the 1 day max? We're trying. Yeah, 31,119 is the 1 day max. Or the max for today. All right. Well, that would really suck. Especially if I keep trying to go for these downward targets. If you're right on that max today, Raj, it's gonna probably be a rough day for me. Just saying. See, yes, trying to go 61 maybe. 583 up there in the NASDAQ. Yeah. So I'm glad I got out of that last trade I was in. Because I would have been stopped out for a loss or a break even. I don't know if I moved my stop loss or not. Here goes session highs right here. There's a push in. Go back and look at the heat map. What's funny is we got Google and Meta in the red and Amazon. Man, that sector over there is pretty hot. Yeah. Stocks not doing so hot, down 10.75%. SMH up 3.23%. Man, oh man. Don't forget, if you guys haven't yet, smash the lucky like button. Just get it. Just do it. I'm still pushing it pretty good. Stocks about to hit 11th hour candle. Interesting. It's got to pick a direction. That doesn't have to. Yeah, remember, it doesn't have to do anything. It has to pick the direction. It's been going up. I do think we're getting ready for a pullback, though. I do think it wants a little bit of a pullback. But we'll see. I could be wrong. We got a 489 point range now. 51 point range on the S&P. New session highs on the NASDAQ. They're not done squeezing. We probably got at least another 20 points higher. On the ES anyways. Yeah, the profile is very thin. On the at least on the weekly. Get rid of that. We've already auctioned that entire minus development area off the weekly. If we were to pull back today, I don't mind this area. Problem is, we're just not pulling back. That is the problem. Caught the long, nice. Not me. Can't really catch another short. We'll see if we bust this high real quick. I think I'm going to short it. We're just riding that second deviation band on the VWAP on the NASDAQ. Yeah, we got to win the war again. Win the war for the 110th time. 10th time. All right, hit my target. I was trying to move it out of the way, but got me. So I'll take the quick 5 points. At least I'm back in the green for the New York session. Not by a whole lot, though. Yeah, I agree. We're very extended, but doesn't mean it can't keep pushing. All I need is for dummies like me to keep trying to short it. Maybe. Position for good news? Possibly. Yeah, I don't like buying highs, personally. But right now, that's what's working. So anybody that's been buying the highs, it's working until it doesn't. I didn't really have a bias for today. I was actually hoping we'd come down here earlier, hit the P point, and then rock it up. So I wanted to be a buyer down around here. Well, it doesn't look like we're going to make it. So same thing on the ES. Oh, I was hoping for a push down so I could get long. Instead, we've just been pushing up and 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 up. So it's all good though. It happens. Rosh says he still thinks we're coming back down. Yeah, me too. Doesn't mean we're right. Oh man, it went right over my order. Did not fill me. Joker. That wick right there went right over my order. Did not fill me. Sons of a guns. Now they're filming. Now they're done going down. We're always right 96% of the time. Yeah, it's just not trying to push down here. I'm trying to make something happen that the market's not wanting to do. See? The short didn't fill me on what I wanted. And then I jumped back in and not so good. There goes new session highs. Dow's up 132, so Dow continues to build strength. After being down, Dow was smacked at the open. You guys remember YM? YM got smacked right here at the open. Whoop! Overdid that whole down candle. So. I went short again. You guys are on screen. Come on, get on down there. Pick up for that last trade plus a little bit more, please. Pretty please with sugar on top. All right, there we go. So I made back where I lost on the last trade plus a little bit more. The stock surfer. Let's go look at something real quick. SPX should have filled the gap now. SPX definitely got the gap filled. Let's see NDX. Not yet. NDX, not yet. Yeah, now we get a bigger move down. You son of a biscuit. Can't make that stuff up. Yeah, Friday we're closing at 1 p.m. Hey, Raj, I thought when I looked on the CME's website, it showed that Monday we're closing early, which I thought was weird. Go back and look. Let's go look real quick. Yeah, Independence Day. Oh yeah, Friday closing early. Hey, look, Saturday. Saturday it says we open at 5 o'clock. The market's never open on Saturdays. What are they doing there? They got it jacked up. Yeah, Monday's normal. That's good. I thought Friday was gonna be a shortened day. When I read it the other day, they changed it, but they had it for Monday was gonna be a shortened day. It's like, it doesn't make sense. On the economic calendar, Friday is the bank holiday. Come on, watch it go all the way down without me, Joker. I'll go all the way down, you. You mother sucker. You Joker. There's a little bit of selling. Here, FOMO. Afraid I'm going to miss this. It's going to dump out without me. I still like that 268, that minus development area. I usually just manually mark them off on my chart. Ah, it's going to be a frustrating morning. Look at that. Stops me out, and then the freaking Joker. Dog it. I mean, right there says, oh, there's Mike's stop loss. Let's get him. We'll turn and go right back down. Come on, Joker. Kill me. All right, chased it down. All right, that's that first deviation band's all the way down at 309 now. I don't know if we're gonna get. I want to give it a couple shots if I have to. Trying to get down that band right there. That's the first view out band above it. Come on. Oh boy, am I gonna go green to red today? I might. I feel like they're not being my friend. 310. The 310's that VWAP band. If I could actually catch the move all the way down there, it'd be a banger, but I doubt I'll get the whole move. I doubt I'll even get any of it. The way it's going now. Dog it. Come on, just break it. Break it down. Come on. Come on down. Please and thank you. Dang it. Long on the ES. Oh, you should be good. Market just keeps going up. Taking my lunch money. If it goes down, it's going to try to get me on tilt. So how much did it stop me out by? I went past my stop a little bit. If it goes down that band, I'm going to cry. I'm about to go get some tissues. I'm going to cry. I'm giving this thing a whole bunch of tries down towards that band. which I still think is a very conservative target. So I really want 268, if we're being honest. 268 is that minus development area right here. I really want that. I was willing to settle with that band. All right, screw it. I'm short. Ah, dang it. Got short again and hit my target too quick. Only got me 5 points. You guys are on the screen. Well, I got 5 points on it. Trying to move it down. Did not allow me to do so. Got fill in the mini? Let's go. Only my stops are getting filled in the minis. Blew your account? Oh, man. That sucks. Not fun. Come on. Just get it. A band now is at 314. And keep in mind, the band could catch up the price too. We just chop around up here. The band will eventually catch up the price. Blew 3 Apex accounts. Yeah. Trying to short it this morning has not been the right path. I don't think I've taken a long trade yet. I'm actually down for the New York session at the moment. You're short NQ, nice. At 423, much better price I'm in at. Got feeling it's getting ready to pop on me again. Target. All right, officially I went green to red. Green to red. I wish I would have seen that 9 count right here too. I did not see that until after I'm already stopped out. Fantastic. Yeah, bring your account to 26,500 to be over the buffer. TPT 25K account. That is correct. You have a little bit of liquidity right here at 450 to 457, and then again up here at 500. So target. Are you gonna get the 9 count? Interesting. Are you on the MNQ or the NQ? Actually, I got it on both charts. I got the 9 count on both. See if I can get back in the green. Blew your traded 500K account. That stinks. Up to something. Should I take it? I really want more. Really want now that VWAP band now is at 318. I can finally get it right. We can get down there. I'd be happy. Even if I leave my target at 36 and we make it down there, I have the chance to maybe put me back at session highs. Maybe. Can't say I haven't been trying to get that target. Ooh. I got to get out. Short term or oversold. Put me back in the green. I'm about $5 down from where I was last night. I think we're going down to 18, but because I've been stopped out so many times, I don't want to hold it. I mean, I want to, but I'd hate to have that much money green and then walk away as a stop loss or break even. So for me, I just had to take it off. Dang it. Is what it is. Is what it is. It's not what it's not. The view app at 186. Wouldn't mind seeing that either. 186. Holding micro, yeah, holding micro has been the easier path to go about it. For sure. Hey, Raj, you trying to hold all the way down the view app or just the band? That band right now is at 320. I was trying to hold out the 336. And we haven't made it down there yet. We're about 10 points away from it. Where I was trying to get out at. We'll see if we can turn that regression channel down. I've just ignored the regression channel this morning. I mean, it's been facing up all morning long. I just keep trying to short it. Should have just been going with it. But it is what it is. So if I look at the options tag, you see that line right there. Options flow is starting to come down here a little bit. Oil's down 25 cents. Hey, J Loves, what's up? What's up? Hey, better late than never. Good news is you didn't miss the duck race yet. Oh, we're gonna go down there. 321 is the VWAP band I've been targeting all morning. Dog it. I still like this area though on the NASDAQ. That minus development area right around 268. Still think we're coming back down towards that. And we were to pull a fib from that swing low to the swing high. It's sandwiched right between the 38 and 50% retracement. I don't mind it. Hey, Diego, good morning. Work was a little hectic. Yeah, I used to hate that. I used to try to trade 9:30 open. I was always busy at work. Four out of the 5 days a week, I was busy. I missed the open. All right, 322 is the VWAP band now. I was targeting all morning. Yeah, it keeps moving up. Yeah, at work trading. Yeah, I used to trade every day at work. Off a laptop. Every day. No, I've never traded with Top One. Got the one good trade. I watched him. I got to bleed it back down. Try to get. Still have not hit that VWAP band yet. VWAP band is at 323 now. I'm going to gladly take that. Thank you very much. All right. Now I'm officially back up on the New York session. How many people actually listening? Yeah, I've had a Top Step account before. Good thing I got out too. I didn't try to push all the way for the band. That would have sucked. Came right back up. So what are we listening for? Still at that minus development area. Hey, another thing I just now realized, that minus development area that we marked off also correlates with the opening range high. I really think this is where the NASDAQ's trying to come down towards. But just know I've been wrong quite a bit. Oh, the duck race code. Yeah, it's going to be for a Lucid account today. We're giving away a Lucid account. Now, let me know in the comment section down below. Let's see. Hold on a second. I do plan to stream today around 2 o'clock. So if you guys want to join me, come hang out. But on the Lucid accounts, which of these accounts do you guys like best? This sucker's going to go down. Is it the Pro, the Flex, or do you like the direct accounts? Which account do you guys like best? I personally have the Flex accounts currently. Because once you're funded, no consistency rule is one of the reasons why I like it. No, normally I'm not on in the afternoon. I was going to yesterday, but I didn't get home when I was hoping to get home, so I got home a little bit late. But today I'm gonna set the other stream up before we get off. So I'll drop the link in here before we jump off. Yeah, you like the Flex too? Lucid Flex, only fund that I can keep from blowing up. Let's see if we can come on down here. Let's get down a little bit more. Can we get it? Let's look on the ES real quick. ES, we have this minus development area as well. Looks like we're trying to make a path down there. So 18 down here to about 12-ish. 18 to about 12. Then we got the NASDAQ, our minus development area right there. I think we're going to come in and get it. I think we're going to get it. Trying to help. Like the Flex. Yeah, I think the Lucid Flex accounts are great accounts. And they're cheap. So that's always a good thing too. That way when you blow it up, it doesn't hurt as bad. All right, hey, that band I kept targeting all morning long and just getting ran over. We finally just hit it. Freaking Joker. I'm not typing the code in yet. I'm not giving out the code yet. I'm not jumping off. I'm not getting ready to jump off yet. I'm not done trading this morning. I was just giving you guys a heads up. I will be streaming this afternoon. So if you guys come and hang out. Come on down. Let's hit our little minus development area now that I'm not in the trade. Sounds about right. Yes, getting very close to the minus development area. Very close to the edge of it. Yeah, we're getting close right back down to the GEX 1. Right back down towards it. I think we're going to flush down to the zone right here, though. I really do. The morning session for you. So ES is, we have the view app on the ES at 13. Trying to pop back up here at the moment. Come up on 15-minute 9 count. Oh, nice. I want to see something real quick. Let's see if we start flattening out the regression channel on the ES and the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is already, the angles you can see are already starting to change. Yeah, today was rough for me, Paul. Yesterday was good. Last couple of days have been pretty good trading. Today, a little bit of a rough patch. Hey, see you later, Chris. Thanks for stopping by as always. And don't forget, guys and gals, smash that lucky like button. We gotta get 200 likes so we can give away that Lucid account today. So let's go. Let's go. Friday was awful. I think I had a good day on Friday myself. I think I almost hit the sell button. Yeah, I was almost. I couldn't push the button. I was like, do I really want to go, start giving back some of these gains again? Oh, come on. Yeah, we're hoping to do a duck race today. If we can get the 200 likes, we got 15 more likes to get. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I do got a little ES trade right here. I'll just move that into money just in case. Just in case you want to pop. You can see that minus development area right there. I'm hoping we get down towards this other view app. Maybe we get it, maybe we don't. I'm hoping. Screw it. I got scared. Just gonna take it. Take it before it runs away from me. So, hey, look, we're coming up towards that minus development area right here. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Are we gonna get it? And that opening range high I was talking about earlier. I just jumped into the sell side way too early this morning. Way too early. A good thing I got the ES started bouncing back up. I don't know. I never heard of them. Never heard of next gen trading ever. Hey, look at the options flow. Options flow turned pretty negative here. Went from what? From about 2 billion down to about 1.5 billion. I like it. So we can keep on pushing. Right now we're going back up. They closed out everybody's account a year ago, then reopened. Huh. Yeah, that's horrible. That sounds horrible. I want to smack it. I want to smack it. No one got paid? Oh, that's not good. That's definitely not good. SPX still holding 74.50. Hey, Coop, where do you think we're going with the on the SPX? Look at the gamma. It's a pretty good little move up right now. Little push up. Barely missed hitting our little zone down here. Definitely glad I exited that ES. SPX 7,500. Right now, what are we at? 74.65 on the SPX. So another 35 points. Look, we do have the regression channel sloping downward. Finally. We'll see for how long. ES, still slightly sloping upward, but it's flattened out quite a bit. So we got 5 billion in Delta at 74.50. That little mistake just saved me. So I went to go on my chart. I was getting ready to go put a trade on. And when I clicked my chart, it moved off. I had to recenter it like that. And then the market went whoop. I was like, ooh, good thing I did. Good thing I messed up when I was trying to move my cursor around. I moved the chart off. Here I'm chirping it back up. Dow's up 93, SP up 29, NASDAQ up 314, and the Russell up 4.6. I'm thinking about taking a swing here. Joker. Try to get in. Try to short it. We do have the regression channel slightly sloping downward. See if we can break these EMAs to the downside. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, that didn't work. I'll get one more shot. Yeah, it's building it right shoulder. Oh yeah, it could be. Dog it. Keep trying to get in, it won't fill me. That's how you know it's gonna be a good trade. Now it's gonna eat my lunch. Dang it. This market is frustrating me this morning. Not too happy with that. We still haven't hit the zone down here. I still have this zone in my head. Still gonna try to target this zone. 272 down to about 253. Thought me out, then you go back down. Yeah, really rude today. I agree. Like, what did I ever do to the market? Come on now. Can't we just be friends? Whoa, 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 whoa. I hit close right when I guess my stop loss was hit. Oh, man, that sucked. I hit close, I guess, right as my stop was getting hit. And it put me in a naked trade. Yeah, I made 20 bucks on it, though. So we have the regression channel sloping downward at the moment. Yeah, markets closed at 1 o'clock on Friday. Or at least the futures markets. Stock market, I think, is absolutely closed. I really want that zone. I just want to go green to red again. Biscuit. Ah, so frustrating. When I give up on this trade is when it's going to go down there. I already know it. Or they're going to wait for me to go to lunch. One of the two. We still need 10 more likes to do that Lucid account giveaway today. Can we get it? You joker. Really wish my stop was above these swings, but I don't want to put more risk on. Then I'm going to go green to red again. I've never even looked at next gen. I've never even heard about them until you guys were mentioning them in chat this morning. So green to red twice today. I want to cry. Why, Mr. Market? What did I ever do to you? Might be trying to rip back up through the highs again. Let's go look at the Dow. I want to see the Dow and stuff real quick. Let's get a review of what's going on. VIX is down here at session lows. Not good for me wanting to short. Dow's on the move up, trying to push up. Who's session highs? Russell's on the move. Yeah, not looking too good. Now, I've never reviewed Funded Next. I've talked to him before, but I've never reviewed them. Hey, Bitcoin's down 19 hundo. Yikes. MSTR down another 9.33% today. Jeez. Michael Saylor's not having a good time. Man, that's not a good entry. Not a good entry. Get a little FOMO-ish here. That 9 count up there got me. Yeah, sell stock into perpetuity. I think you had to sell some Bitcoin, I think. Is one unhappy billionaire? Man, this is killing me today. I can't let go of these bearish targets. I know if I get it right, it'll be pretty good. If I don't, it's gonna be a disaster. Might end up with a red day today. I'll have to get some Chipotle for lunch and make me feel better. That sounds pretty good. Come on down. Let's get it. 260s, baby. Let's go. Yeah, I'm just trying to get here to the top of the zone. A little bit below that low there. And I'm happy. I'm a happy camper. I'll be very happy. It's a problem though. I'm going for bigger moves. So I'm not giving the market, not giving my trades a lot of room to breathe, which is kind of causing some of the problems. Oh, congrats. We did get over 200 likes. So we'll be doing that Lucid giveaway here shortly. Come on. go down. Please. Pretty please. Sugar on top. All the way down here to stop that zone again. 271. I'll even get out early. What's that low we had right there? 282. I want. God dog, I still took a loss on it. I even hit it while still in the green. I got slipped and lost 20 bucks. If I go long, we'll get the dip down to that zone that I want. That's the problem I'm in. I'm in a little bit of a funk here at the moment. Higher time frames, I think we want to go higher, but I can't shake this lower time frame target. So I'm kind of stuck. Stuck at the moment. Let's see. We have maybe a little ABC pattern up. No, we didn't pull back enough there. Let's see. VIX should be dumping. Yeah, VIX is going back down, take out session lows. Short term, we're overbought, but man, we just gotta probably go higher. Probably gonna go higher. We have liquidity up here at 450. Wait for a liquidity sweep at session high, maybe. I'll probably be the liquidity. A whole one contract. They bought back 5 billion negative delta, SPX 7500. Yeah, so we're on bar number 2 right now. At the moment. Are they gonna push down? I want to short it, but I'm scared. I don't want another losing trade. Here we go, though. I really wish that target wasn't on my screen. I wish I never would have saw it. Wish I never would have saw it. It's cost me a lot of money today. Lots and lots of monies. And a lot of frustration. I can close it out now. I could be greenback for the day. Come on down. AMD short. AMD's up pretty good today too, wasn't it? AMD's up 4.75%. I need to see a quick drop too, Raj. Just for my own mental sanity. We have the regression channel still sloping downward, but Now maybe we're going to try to get back above it and try to flip it going back up. Probably really should have scouted when I was down here. At least now I'd be green for the day. Versus red. I like seeing red on my P&L. Push it down. I knew that was the danger today too, because last night we just basically chopped. Kind of went sideways. Upper level consolidation. I was hoping for that dip down first to get long. We never got the dip down. So the long thesis was right. Just didn't get my entry to get in it. So I got sucked into the dark side, and here we are. Here we are. Man, that's pretty darn tight. Something's getting ready to happen. Look how tight these candles are. That's not probably going to be good for me. Come on. Let's do it. Let's get it down. Come on. You got this. Please, please. If we set a lower high over there on the 5-minute chart, that would be kind of bullish as well. Here's a high, possibly a lower high. That'd be fantastic. I'm just going to close it. At least now I'm back green on the day. It'll probably dip out now. That's fine. Whatever. Whatever. I don't know. I feel like every time I move to break even, I get stopped out break even. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I'll move to break even, but I like to see myself in the money a little bit more to get out of the chopping around area before I move it to break even. If they go down there and hit that, I'm going to be a little bit irritated. A little bit irritated. So what I'd like to see is a push down, Emerald. Let's say I'm short. Get a push down, comes back up, sets a lower high, and then starts breaking the low down there. Then I'll go ahead and move my stop to break even. That way the normal just back and forth, I'm kind of out of the way. If it goes back up, I'm just probably wrong on the trade. So. Come on. Come on. Just get me upset. Go all the way down there. Market's definitely moving a little bit slow. Slow markets usually favor the bulls. Yeah, I was trying to make a run back towards session highs. Let's see. Where is we at? Let's do a little pull. Oops, that's not the pull. All right, what do you guys think? Will the lower zone get tested today? This lower zone right here. What do you guys think? Yay or nay? I need some help here. Will it get tested or will it not? Yay or nay? Emerald says no zone today. Probably not, at least not until I go to lunch. I go to lunch, he goes, pew. Like, He is still trying to squeeze up here a little bit. Let's look at the Dow. Mr. Dow. YM. Still pushing. Some reason I thought Dow was up more than that. Yeah, overnight. I think it'll be as soon as I quit trading for the day, I'll make it. As soon as I'm done for the day. Yeah, there's a chance. Wait for me to go to lunch and it'll be like, bink. Like, you're a funny guy. Funny, funny, funny. I find myself wanting to sell it again. Oh, man. I find myself wanting to push the sell button. Good thing I didn't push sell button. Good thing I didn't push it. I am kind of curious. ES is pushing on up. What's the regression channel there? We're trying to push above the upper part of the regression channel. Still slight sloping downward. There's like ES going to try to take out session highs. Dow's pushing up higher. Crude oil is coming back down. So this morning pre-market, crude oil was up. Crude oil's not quite at session lows. It was down a little bit. Is down a bit. Six minutes we should see. 100 reasons to go to high today. Might. I'll make it 101. Let me get short. Be 101 reasons to go to high today. Nice. Hey, good job on that, Mesa. I have my finger on the sell button. I got to be careful here. I don't want to go back in the red. I don't want to go back in the red. I keep fighting the markets. U.S. prepares a ban targeting Chinese energy inverters. Interesting. Did we make it one day max on the... No, we didn't make it there yet. Yes, it's getting closer. I don't know. I don't think no rejections are allowed. Only breakouts. Breakouts and go higher. Dow's at 144 now. So Dow started off not so hot. And since then, it's just been coming on back. Yeah, so Dow consolidation. Yes, take out the highs. If not, it's close. Nope, not yet. Not yet. Looks like the ES is going to take out the highs, though. I would think. All we need is for Trump to come out there and say something bad about Iran. Iran's diverging priorities are jeopardizing U.S. peace talks. All right. Let's hear Trump come out. Say something negative about it. After I'm already in my short trade. Not before. Somebody needs to go get him all riled up and give him his phone. Go just keep poking his buttons. But here, sir, do you need your phone? Tell the world about it. Yeah, give him one. He'll give out a tweet. Yes, it's trying to push high today. Yeah, I need to just calm down. I really just want to short this. I'm like, F logic, let's just short it. Come down to the zone, call it a day, be good. I so bad want to short this. Yeah, regression channel trying to get flat right here. Basically is actually slight slope upward. Yes, is already going back up on the regression channel. We have a trade detector bubble right near session highs. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, push it up. Go short once a 1 hour candle closes. Let's see. See, yes, take out the high yet? Not yet. Get ready to though. Yes, get ready to. So bad I want to short this. If you guys do want to join me, I already set the stream up for 2 o'clock. So I was just doing. So if you guys do want to join Power Hour, the stream will be up there. I really want to short this. But I'm not really believing this move still. If you look at the options data, look at this line right here. You see the flow in the options data is still going down. I still think we end up getting a pullback. Doesn't mean I'm going to be right. Just because I believe it. I'm going to go ahead and shut down the poll. Looks like a majority of you guys believe we are not going to hit that zone. Oh boy. Hopefully a majority is not going to be right because I know I'm going to keep. So we got a trade detector bubble too. I know I'm going to keep swinging at it. But just make sure we have time before we jump off. Let's do this. Also, I'll keep me from doing anything crazy. All right, I'm going to drop the Key phrase, Lucid, use code Mike. So to get that first winner, I'll explain what you need to do to win or to get in. So if you guys want a chance to be in the duck race, you got to make sure you're signed up to the email list down below. Make sure your email is confirmed. The Nightbot's going to pick out 10 people. I'm going to pick out a handful of regulars I see on the channel. Then we're going to race and see who's got the fastest duck out there. Adam, you have a spot in the duck race? I need to put me in the duck race. See if I can win an account. I need if I keep trading like poop. King Gamut, you got a spot? All right. And this will be for a Lucid Flex account. 50K Flex. Rapid. You got a spot in the duck race? I've been in a duck race in a hot minute. Thomas, you have a spot in the duck race? Got a lot of regulars. Let's see. All right, you have a spot in the duck race? Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Joyce, you got a spot in the duck race? Nightbot's going to pick out one last person. All right, Jeremy, you got a spot in the duck race? All right, you guys can quit typing in the chat. I'm going to scroll through and find some people. Oh, Sean, I'm going to give you a spot in the duck race. The boss, I'm going to give you a spot in the duck race. See if he's still in here, actually. He is. Sweet. Let's see. Roger Sam, I'll give you a spot in the duck race. Let's see. Is Mecha Noble in here still? Mecha Noble is not in here anymore. All right. Adam, you're already in there. Raphael, I'll give you a spot. Maybe. Actually, Miss K and then Raphael. They're trying to run it. Oh, J Loves too. I gotta give J Love in the race. All right, there we go. Oh, there's another one too. Dang it, I'm with too many people. All right, trading. I'm still trying to find. Where did he go? I seen his name. There we go. All right, Raphael, I got you in the duck race. Yeah, good thing. That's stopping me from doing anything crazy. All right, let's see who's got the fastest duck out there. Who's it going to be? On your marks. Get set. Beep. Let's see. We got quite a bit. I don't know how many ducks we got out there, but Elijah, it's probably not a good sign. Elijah, you're already in the lead. It's probably not going to be a good sign. Where'd my mouse go? There we go. Hopefully, afternoon session, I'll trade better. Fingers crossed. One can only hope. Raphael is chilling with the hat backwards, everything. Thomas already crowned himself. Thomas like, I got this. Look at me. I'm wearing the crown. Let's see. Who's going to win it? Oh, number 5? Number 5? Oh, number 9. Number 9. All right. What is the first 3 letters of your email? Please include. I'll look you up. Make sure you're on the email list and get you all situated. Oops, move that over there. There you go. Oops. Just make sure. Hey, Joyce, what's the first 3 letters of your email? First 3 letters. Email Thursday. Huh? I don't understand what that means. Let's see. I don't have any emails with Thursday. Oh, J-O-I. All right, hold on. I was like, all right, J-O-I. Ah. J-O-I. Let's see. Hey, I think I found you. Hey, I think we found you. Love it when a plan works out. All right, so let's do this. Now, I'm going to send you an email. Just make sure I got the right person. Because once I send the code, it's gone. So I'm going to send you an email with a number. Just type that number into the chat. So just type that number in the chat, and then I'll send you the Lucid code. I just want to make sure that I'm pretty confident we got the right person. Just to make sure, though, because once I send it, it's gone. Poof. And look, that trace keeps going down for the hero. I think we're going to come down here. Joker's like, oh, Mike's getting ready to go to lunch. Get ready to go to lunch. Starts with an S. I don't know. I got J-O-I. It kind of matched the name, I think. Ah, perfect. Perfect. All right, let me get that code for you real quick. Let me get the code. 50K. Bam. I will be picking some more winners from the last 2 videos after the, probably after the afternoon stream, actually. So. All right, I just sent it to you. You should be all... Oh, dang it. I just sent it to myself. Hold on a second. All right, hold on a second. All right, now I just sent it to you. You should be all set now. How to join the duck race? You got to make sure you're signed up to email list down below. It's the first link in the description box down below. So if we go look, you guys are watching the stream, go click on more right there where it says giveaway sign up. Now, once you sign up, make sure you click on the confirm email. Like it'll send you an email, it might go to your spam. Confirm your email. Otherwise, you won't be on the list. And I won't be able to find you. If you do win, you'll forfeit. I don't want that. I don't want to see nobody forfeit. Joker, I'm not in it now. You're going to go down. Ugh. Hopefully this afternoon is going to be a much better, more gooder trading session for me. I'm going to try to do an afternoon stream quite often. And at the end of the stream, we're going to go over all the volume profile levels for tonight. So if you guys are on the stream, you want to stick around until 4 o'clock. Because after 4 o'clock, we'll have the volume profiles pretty much set. And we'll lay out the game plan afterwards. So I'm going to stream from 2 to 4. Actually, 2 to probably 4:30-ish. I'll quit trading at 4. But then from 4 until however long it takes us to go over all the charts, I'll be on. Yeah, hey, it's actually in the link. It's pinned in the comment section. So I pinned a link for the 2 o'clock stream in the comment section. Not a problem. That's fine. You don't speak English. That's fine. I barely speak English myself. That's what I really like about the world, like the internet. We get to see people from all around the world, all different cultures, all different ways of life. I love it. Yeah, we all speak trading. Yeah, you won, and I don't know if it was you, but let's see. Now I'm wondering what. Let's see. I sent you an email with, unless somebody just made a name trying to say it's them. I'm trying to scroll back and see. Yeah, 714. Hold on. Let's just see. Yeah, I sent you the email with the code for the free account. So I've already sent it to you. Hey, not a problem. Anytime. All right, so I feel good. We're not still going down. I don't feel like I missed anything yet. We do have a little bit of liquidity up here on the NASDAQ, 450-ish, then 500. And we look at the gamma levels. We're probably going to that 497, 500-ish. Then the one-day max, 528, 525, somewhere in that ballpark. And I got none of it. I got nothing but a heartache all day from this market. Dow's, oh yeah, Dow did. Hey, good eye on that one. Let's go look at that. Dow did drop here a little bit. Too bad I'm not in the Dow. Would have been a good short this morning on the Dow too, but what about RTY? RTY pull back? Yeah, a little bit. All right, what about ES? What's up to ES? ES is still up here near the highs. Same thing with the NQ. So I don't think it's ready yet. Not ready yet. I still like that zone though. I still likes the zone. Oh, I got rid of it. Hey, why'd my zone go away on this chart? Did I accidentally delete it? Oh, maybe it was just below price. All right, trying to rip back up. Session highs right there, 442. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe as well. But I want to check your notifications too. YouTube has been turning off the bell notifications and unsubscribing people. One guy said he subscribed 4 times now. YouTube keeps taking them off. So we still haven't come back down the VWAP yet. Will we do it this afternoon? Maybe. Or are we going to go sideways and VWAP catches up the price? All things we want to know. You see session high is right above us right here. Right above us. You're now short in Q 414. Oh man. Hopefully you're right. Tornadoes hitting your area in North Tampa right now. I didn't think it was. Can't really see the clouds outside. It didn't feel like it was cloudy out at the moment. Maybe. No, I'm going to shut the stream off. We got a new stream starting at 2 o'clock. Yeah, ES already took the highs. But ES is really trying to push. All resistance, and we got the 1 day max way up here too. So they're just pushing it. So bad I want to short it. You guys don't even know. What price level is that? 270. Yes, 10 out trades in case you lose internet. It's not a bad idea. Or just go to micros. If you go to micros, you can set your targets and stuff. And that way, if something really bad happens, it's minimal. So bad I want to short it. No, hey, I'm not normally on in the afternoon. On the second channel, I was streaming at night. I might stream on this channel at night every now and then, but I don't know yet. Still trying to figure it out. Hey, Brad, it's been a real tough day for me. Hey, Brad, I felt bad for the market makers. They have families to feed, so I was like, let me give you guys some of my money. And they gladly took it. They gladly took it. I haven't streamed that night on the second channel in a while, but yeah, I'll drop a link for the second channel. I do post shorts on the second channel. There's the link for the second channel. Again, we're still just squeezing up a little bit. Slow and steady grind. I hate these days. Slow and steady. I like the big wild stuff we've been seeing recently. That's the days I like. All right, new highs on the NASDAQ. See new highs on the ES as well. Not yet. Not yet. Oh, you had to reboot? Ugh. All right, we have a little bit of divergence here on the Delta. A little bit. I'm too scared to take it, though. Yeah, hey, Paul, I set the stream up for the afternoon already. It's in the pinned comment section. I'm going to come out at 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. We're going to go to 4, and then after 4, I'm going to do my analysis of what I expect, levels and such. And we'll see if that darn minus development area has been taken out yet. The further we go away, it's not looking so hot for a retest of it. 517 point range right now on the NASDAQ for the day. S&P 62 point range. So I am kind of curious real quick. That's a pretty good little push up. No signs of pulling back yet. They're waiting for me to go to lunch. Gotta go to lunch. See you later. See you in the next stream. Yeah, hey, Jesse, not working out so good for me either. I went green to red, and then green, and then the red, and then barely in the green now. I'm down for the New York session. I think I was up 7 something last night. So. Just no letting up. Right here at that 450 liquidity. Right here. So we got more liquidity up there at 500. I just gotta keep trying to push. So, but with that being said, I'm going to be back at 2 o'clock. Hopefully you guys will come back and join me. So with that being said, hopefully you do a little bit better in power hour. So let's see. All right, guys, take care. See you guys this afternoon.